And then we got a square root to 8. So what's the square root of 8?
The square root of 8 can't be square rooted. It's a f***ing 8, bro.
I'm just going to give you a couple examples.
That's a square root though, that's what we know. It's calm.
But that's on the outside.
It's still there. It's still there.
So what the whole... Okay.
That's all I know, bro.
What we do know, boom,
Is
the whole thing is a reciprocal square root.
Yes.
So you're telling me this f***ing thing looks like this, bro? Wait.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, 1 over.
Hold on. Pause there. You are right,
Yeah.
but reciprocal is 1 over, of course. But remember, it's also flipping it upside down. The reciprocal of a fraction, you flip the fraction upside down. So you can deal with this negative by simply...
just flipping it without the 1 over.
Yeah.
So where's the 2 go then?
Just deal with one thing at a time.
So it goes 25, y8 at the top, and 16x 6 at the bottom, because we're reciprocals.
And now you've dealt with the negative, so that's gone now.
Cool. And now we square root this thing.
Yes, so it's still to the power of a half, because you have not dealt with the power of a half yet.
Right.
So deal with the reciprocal first,
Yes.
then deal with the square root, or the whatever the outside.
Yeah.
So this is now in a square root.
Yeah.
Right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a square root, a 2 square. How'd you say it again? 2 base 2 square root.
Base 2, yep, that's the one.
Just a square root, really.
So we just basically...
Now.
Oh, that's calm. So we square root 25. That's what? 5?
How'd you know it? Okay.
Yeah.
5. Yeah.
And then-
what
and
are
then-
you gonna do? I'm gonna
so
watch you do it.
Then we
first.
do y, and then we got a square root to 8. Remember like how we were square rooting this thing? So what's the square root of 8?
The square root of 8 can't be square rooted. It's a f***ing
Right.
8, bro.
But then we have to do some of these minus things, bro. We have to look in here.
Okay. So you're definitely on the right lines. However, you sort of veered off the track by writing it as square root. It is square root, absolutely, but it's going to be easier to keep it just as a power of a half. Reason being, remember back before, if I was to give you this question, what would you do?
You times
Times
it.
it.
Times it. Exactly. So that's
cool.
what's happening here. So look at them individually. Numbers go with numbers, letters go with letters. So you do 16 to the half, think of it as square root of 16, as you did. Then x to the 6 to the half, think of it like this.
Got
and
you.
same with the other ones.
Numbers go with numbers.
Everyone's an individual. Everyone's got their own identity.
Real talk. So it's 8 over 2, which is 4. So it's y4.
So 25y to the 8th, and that's over 16x to the 6th. Brackets, all of that
Power
to
of
the
a half.
power of a half, yeah?
Yeah.
And then numbers go with numbers.
So you square root them.
So that equals square root 25 is f***ing 5.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. And then
Do the...
y is y. What do we do again for that one?
So now we're going to
times-
just do...
you just
Yeah.
add it.
So, no, now you're going to divide it.
Power of power rule.
So you divide it. Remember the power. The
Y
power.
to the 8 to the half is the power of the power. That's when you
So
multiply
you
the numbers.
times it by half. So 8 times a half is 4. 4, yeah.
Y to the
Calm.
4.
People always forget times in by a fraction. 8 times a half is the same as 8 divided by 2. Just a really important point to remind people there.
Square root of 16 is 4.
Yeah. And then x.
X.
And then 6 divided by
to
2
3.
is 3, yeah.
Yeah, what? That's it? Is it?
Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what we got, yeah.
That's it. So this question, when you look at it first, looks up,
Yeah.
right?
Still looks
But if you break it down into its individual components, it's not that bad. You learn how to do all of these things individually. You just need to be able to put them together at the same time. This question will be worth at least 3 or 4 marks.
Right.
Probably 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can do each individual bit. As soon as if you do the reciprocal, that'll get you a mark.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying don't let what you don't know, all this stuff stop you from getting that mark that you do know.
Right.